Hi, Bob. Just unmute yourself once you're ready, Bob.
Hello, teacher.
How are you today, Bob? Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Oh, that
Huh?
is good. Okay, what did you do?
I eat breakfast.
What did you eat for breakfast?
Sticky rice at 9 o'clock.
Oh, at 9 o'clock. Okay,
I
so
eat
just finished.
a little and then I hurt my tummy because today I'm sick. That's why I eat at 9 o'clock.
Oh, what's the matter, Bob? How are you feeling?
I don't know.
Do you have a stomach ache?
Nope.
Nope.
I have
Okay.
stomachache and then I go boo boo and then finish and then I think I will have a stomachache later.
Are you okay now?
Yes.
Okay, that is good. Make yourself comfortable there, Bob. Okay, so just tell me if you're not okay. Why, why is that in your room? What are you using that for?
Nothing.
Oh, no. Okay, so now let me share my screen and yes, we will start by answering your homework. Okay, wait. I know you can see it. Let me download it, Mom. What did you do yesterday, Mom? Did you go to the village?
Nope.
Oh, no, you did not. So where did you go yesterday? How did you spend your
I
weekend?
stay at home.
Oh, just stay at home. Okay. And learn. Did you learn?
Nope.
Nope. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I think you just watched TV the whole day.
Yes.
Okay. Now let us have this one first. Mom, can you tell me your answer for one?
I
Okay, yes, very good. He bought some new shoes last month. What about for two?
see.
C?
Nope. Went last year.
Okay.
I
Where did you went on holiday last year?
wait a minute.
Okay. What is your
See, see.
answer? C. Okay, yes, very good. It is C. Because with the presence of did, we will use the base form, which is go. Now, what about for three?
See.
Okay, for three, wait, is it C? Did you saw Jane last month?
No.
No, I didn't.
Did you saw last dreams last month? No, I didn't.
Is it C? Is it saw?
B.
Okay, yes, it's B. It should be the base form because we have our question word did. Okay, now what about four?
Um, I.
Okay, when did she get a job in the car factory?
Yes.
Why is it when?
Because
The question word when answers the time, right? When did she get a job? We can say last month.
where
Okay, yes, very good. It's where. It's D. Now what about five?
Max didn't go out yesterday afternoon. He stayed at home.
Okay, yes, he stayed at home. Okay, very good. It is C. Thank you. Now let us proceed to 6. What's your answer here?
It is B.
Okay, B. Joffrey didn't study French before, but he study at university now.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Joffrey didn't study. Nope. C.
Okay, yes, it is C. Okay, so we're talking about the past right here. So did not study, but now, okay, now he studies. Okay, what about 7?
B.
Oh, okay. So, what did you have for lunch? Soup and fish. Okay, 8.
C.
Okay, C. Where were you last week? I was in. Okay, Alabama. Very good, Bob. Okay, I was 9.
D.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I usually work for 6 hours a day, but I work for 8 hours yesterday. Is it D?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
How sure are you? 100% sure?
50%.
Oh, 50%. Okay, so it's correct that we will use work because, see, it is a routine, bomb, something that the person does every day. However, yesterday, so it's not work, it's work.
It is A.
Yes, that's right. So you should only be 50% sure. 50% sure. Okay, 10 now.
Once. Often. Um. D.
Okay, D. Rosemary often got to work by bus. Are you sure? But she got to work by taxi yesterday.
Nope.
Are you sure? Yes.
I.
Okay, yes, it is a oh, not A. Not A.
A.
Because this is a routine, Bam. This is a routine. We don't
Routines.
use, yes. See, often.
C.
Why is it C? Our subject is Rosemary. She's only one.
Hmm? 20.
For
D.
10, Bam, it's B. It's
B.
B. Yes, because in here, Bam, Rosemary often gets to work by bus. This is a present simple tense, Bam. It's a present simple tense that shows us a routine or a habit that she
Why you said
does.
A is right?
No, I didn't say that. I said
You said right
it's
and then you said
correct.
wrong.
Yeah, because I realized no, we don't use got here. Okay, so it's gets, not get bomb because it's just Rosemary, not Rosemary and bomb. Okay, so gets to work by bus, but okay, yesterday, okay, got. Now what about 11?
A.
Okay, Bonnie and Nick played tennis last weekend, but they rarely play tennis. Okay, very good. What about 12?
I. No. D.
D. Okay, so it snows a lot in winter here, but it rained last year. Okay, very good. It is D. 13.
Last year, it snows for 3 months, but it rained rains just for 2 weeks.
Okay, so your answer is A.
Yes.
Okay, thank you for that, Bomb. But in here, as you can see, last year, we will
Last
not.
year, B.
Okay, yes, that is right, Bomb. It's B. Okay, last year it snowed for 3 months, but it rained just for 2 weeks. Still, we're talking about last year's event. Okay, now last one, Bomb.
Uh, can you put it down?
Oh, wait, because it's already down here, Bomb.
Okay.
Can you see it?
Okay, I see it now.
Okay.
Does it snows a little in winter in Holland? Yes, it does. But last winter it didn't.
Okay, yes, it didn't snow at all. Yes, that is right, Mom. So the correct answer is C. Great job. Thank you so much for that, Mom. Yeah, I know you know the rule already, Mom. You are smart. It's just that you have to be more observant. Okay, so now let us continue with our lesson. And we will now have still the type of music that you like, Bomb. It's your turn to answer now. Can you tell me what types of music do you like?
I like honking down.
What's that?
No, I like
The type of music. We have talked about the
okay.
type of music, right? It is in here. Okay. Do
Okay,
you
the
like?
time music. I like the music, okay?
Yes. What type of music? No? You don't like music, Bomb? No?
Wait
What
a
is
minute,
that?
wait me a minute.
Okay. What is that? No.
Wait a minute.
No, but what is that?
Don't know.
I can't read it. No batido?
No, here I get it. Down here.
Well, you can just say it to me. Mhm. What music is that? I am not familiar with it, Mom.
But yeah,
Oh, I
you
haven't
don't
heard
know.
of this kind of music.
Of countries. In China too, or Indonesia.
Oh, so you mean it's a country music, Mom?
Nope.
It's different?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Or is this a title of a song?
Nope. It is music.
Oh, it is music
Every country.
in every country?
In China, in Indonesia, and in in America too.
Hmm. Okay. Well, I haven't heard of this one, Mom. Okay, so you like this kind of music, countries music. Wait,
No,
let me
just
see.
one country.
Oh,
Just
just
one
one
country, and
country.
then
Oh, it is a song, Bomb. It is a song.
Song.
Yes. Beaten and shaken. Okay, so it is Spanish.
Spanish.
Oh, okay. So it is a funk song, and you like this one. Can you tell me why?
Because because in 3 years old I hear the song and then I like it.
Oh, you heard it. That's why you like it. Okay, what type of music don't you like?
I doesn't like. I doesn't
I
like.
don't like. I don't like.
I don't like.
Rock music?
Nope. Playback.
What's that?
This.
The type of music, Bam. The type of music. Is it pop music?
Playback.
Playback? This playback.
It's not a music.
Oh, it's not a music.
It's like this, the songs, and then I don't know. It is 99 in the forest. 99 nights. 99 nights in the forest.
99 nights in the forest?
Yes.
Are,
It's a game in
are you
Roblox. But I don't like in Roblox.
Oh, really?
Place it and then play and I don't like it.
Oh, okay, Bomb. I see. Okay, so now,
Do you
Bomb.
play Roblox?
No, I don't play Roblox, Bomb. It is not recommended.
Or
It's not.
you didn't play?
No, my niece and nephew, Bomb, they used to play it, but we don't recommend playing that game because there are cases, Bob, that children would take their own lives because of playing it.
Hmm?
There are some cases
My
that children.
friends
What about
play
your
it always.
friends? Oh, your friends play it always. I see. Okay. So now we'll talk about the types of music that you like. Since I have seen in the video that we haven't talked about this one yet. Okay, so now can you tell me what does it mean when we say fantastic?
Fantasy, it means like a movie, but it is very funny.
Oh, okay. So now in here, Bob, we're not talking about fantasy. We're not talking about movies. Fantasy is different to fantastic. Okay. So,
Fantastic, it means like this, like mom will buy for me ice cream. No.
mm-hmm.
Tomorrow I will go to the supermarket and be very happy and excited. That's why. No, fantastic.
Fantastic.
Oh. Last week I go to
I
the
went. I went.
hotel. Go to the
Mm-hmm.
hotel 5 stars.
Mm-hmm.
In there I can swim and eat. At my phone.
On my phone.
And then I give him because it is his birthday party. That's why my friends and I give him a glasses, and he is very fantastic because he want to try it. That's why he tried, but he said this is at the morning. That's why he doesn't wear it because
Okay.
we play at 5 o'clock to
Mm-hmm.
8 o'clock in the
Oh.
evening.
Okay, I see. Thank you so much for sharing that, Bob. Okay, so again, when we say fantastic, it means something is really good. Okay, it's excellent, Bob. It's pleasant and enjoyable. Like, for example, Italy is a fantastic destination for foodies. And now I want you to create your own sentence using the word fantastic. Can you make your own sentence, Mom, using the word fantastic?
Yes.
Like, for
I
example,
am very fantastic with tomorrow because tomorrow I will go to holiday. I will stay holiday.
okay, so I am very fantastic.
Yes.
Okay, you can say I am very happy, Bob, but when we say fantastic, it means it's something that is really good and it's something that you're expecting that you will enjoy doing. Okay, so you can say um Vietnam is Vietnam is a fantastic place for foodies and people who wants to go sightseeing. Okay,
No,
so that is
there's no satire.
no. There's a lot of place to see in Vietnam.
But in Japan, there's lots of places.
Oh, okay. Why does it seems like you don't want people to go to Vietnam, Bob? Why do you oppose? Okay, so Vietnam is a very beautiful place, Bob, right?
But Vietnam doesn't like America
Oh, Vietnam doesn't like America. Why?
because when oh last 100 years, Vietnam and America are friends, and then America had Vietnam, but now America had others. That's why Vietnam is very angry and then fight America, and Vietnam has two best friends in Cambodia and Japan because when Vietnam didn't have any sausages, no uh, weapons and food, Malaysia get a train of food to Vietnam, and China put the weapon on the train goes, but America see that was what America stop the train, and then and then America get the weapon. That's why Vietnam is very angry. That's why Vietnam get the weapon and then hit America.
Oh, really? I didn't know about that, Bob.
Uh,
But but um hopefully it's okay now, the relationship
no,
between
it's not
Vietnam
okay
and
now.
it's okay now?
No, it's not.
It's not okay? Oh my gosh, okay. So now, Bomb, let us have the last word. We have here terrible.
Terrible. It means like the food is very terrible.
So what does it mean if
We
the food it's
we cook. The food is very terrible.
really?
Teacher, today I am sleep at 3 o'clock, and then we
Okay.
go poo poo.
Uh-huh.
Okay,
Okay.
and then he doesn't know, and then four times, and then he he poop, and there's the put, and then he doesn't wash his button. That's why he put on his shirt and then come to me, and the, the and then the boop boop it's on the floor, and then his feet put in the boop boop. That's why you need to wash his feet. And my cousin Bill, he's taller than me. He take a bath, but he doesn't know, that's why he poop lots of small rat poop, and then he took this. That's why my cousin sister get a big pot, and I put him in it, and then wash him 5 times because he's very dirty.
Okay, thank you so much for sharing that, Mom. I hope everyone's okay. So, yes, when we say terrible, it means something is really bad, okay, very bad, unpleasant, or serious. Like, for example, the food at the restaurant is just terrible, which means it's very bad.
Bye
Okay, so
bye.
yes, that's all it, Mom. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day. Be safe there, Mom. See you tomorrow, Mom.